I've just finished looking at 7 jigsaws for a Canadian Home Workshop tool test, and right now I want to show you one particular technical feature that you'll find in all the saws. I want to show you how it works and how you can make better use of it in your own shop when you're working on your own projects. The feature is called orbital blade action, and it describes the way the jigsaw blade moves while it's cutting. With 0 orbital action, the blade simply moves back and forth in a straight line. You can dial in more and more orbital action, and when you do that, the blade moves in a D-shaped pattern. It moves straight line down and then curved forward on the way up. And what that does is it makes the cut more aggressive. In some cases, it also makes the cut rougher, although that's not entirely true for all the saws in this test group. Orbital blade action makes an especially big difference when you're cutting hard, thick material, like this piece of ash here. Without any orbital action, the saw progresses more slowly through the wood. But as you'll see, when you dial in orbital blade action, it makes quite a difference. Here in these cuts, I'm applying exactly the same amount of hand pressure, but you can see the different rates of cut that the same saw produces. The difference in cutting speed, as you've seen, is quite dramatic, and so is the difference in cut smoothness. Take a look at this and you'll see what I mean. The first part of the cut was done with no orbital blade action, and the second part of the cut is done on full orbit. More than with most tool categories, there was a big performance differences across the board with the 7 cordless jigsaws that we tested. For all the details, check out the March 2009 issue of Canadian Home Workshop magazine.